In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Roblox error code 279 and solve the disconnected error here in Roblox. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, if you are in a game in Roblox, go ahead and back out of it and find that exact same game again. In this case, we're going to use this NFL Universe football game as an example and re-hit the play button. This is going to try and just connect you to the best server that fits your connection. Think of it like Roblox giving you the smoothest ride possible. If you are still seeing an error, what you're going to want to do is once again back out of the game, and this time go and find the start menu on your computer and search for settings and open it up, and from here go into network and internet. After you do get into the network and internet section, you're going to want to select on your Wi-Fi and hit show available networks right here. And in some cases, you may notice that you actually have two versions of your Wi-Fi. Usually they do have the exact same name, but one ends in 2.4G and the other ends in 5G. You're going to want to switch to the network connection that fits your scenario better. 2.4G is going to be for better stability if you're further away from your router, and 5G is going to give you faster speeds if you're closer to your router. Just try switching to whatever works best for your situation, and if possible, use an Ethernet cable for the most stable connection, even though not everyone can plug in. Now, if you are still getting the 279 error, make sure you're not using a VPN. If you are using a VPN, simply go ahead and close out of Roblox, disconnect it, and then try again. And also check the official Roblox status page. If the servers are having issues, it's on their end, not yours. And it'll say something like all systems operational if their servers are good. Once again though, if you are still getting disconnected, fully close out of Roblox, and then what you're going to want to do is make sure it is fully closed. You can do this by going to the task manager and just searching up Roblox within here, and then right clicking on Roblox and hitting in task to fully close it. And then after this, wait a few minutes and open it back up and test the game again. If none of that did work though, the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. But that's it. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.